Hello and welcome to my new video on the use of energy and technology for COVID-19 response. My name is Jatin Lad, and today I shall be discussing some of the key issues relating to energy in the COVID-19 response and the use of technology that has immensely helped in containing COVID-19. COVID-19, as you all know, has created a lot of problems across the world. As of November 2020, we have 46 million cases with 30.8 million recoveries, and of course, a lot of unfortunate deaths, around 1.19 million people. According to the UN Energy Progress Report 2020, 789 million people are living without the access of electricity, and hundreds of millions more have access to very limited or unreliable electricity. It is estimated that only 28% of health facilities have access to reliable electricity. If hospitals and local communities don't have access to electricity, this could magnify the human catastrophe and significantly slow the global recovery rate. Lack of access to electricity has hampered efforts to contain COVID-19 across many parts of the world. Energy services are key to preventing diseases and fighting pandemics, from powering healthcare facilities to supplying clean water for essential hygiene to enabling communications and IT services that connect people. The utility and enterprises providing off-grid electricity connections and clean cooking solutions are experiencing severe disruptions due to COVID-19, with many having to suspend operations and some are at the risk of collapsing and completely shutting down. Government coordinated efforts across the globe have focused on containment and mitigation with varying degrees of success. Countries that have maintained low COVID-19 mortality rates appear to share strategies that include early surveillance, testing, contact tracing, and very strict quarantines. The scale of coordination and data management required for effective implementation of these strategies has, in most countries, relied on digital technologies and integrating it into policies and healthcare. Smart cities, big data, and AI have helped facilitate the COVID-19 preparedness and tracking of people, and also contain the spread of infection in several countries. Tools such as migration maps, which use mobile phones, mobile payment applications, and social media to collect real-time data on the location of people. Data dashboards, migration maps, real-time data from smartphones and wearable technologies have been used for effectively tracking and screening for infections. Global positioning systems have been used to identify and track individuals who might have come in contact with an infected person. Similarly, AI, cameras and digital recorders have been used to identify and track affected individuals and implement quarantines. Big data and AI have been effectively used for clinical management, for diagnosis, and to predict clinical outcomes, providing capacity for telemedicine services and virtual care. The need to track COVID-19 has fueled the innovation of data dashboards that visually display disease burden, For example, Singapore Ministry of Health use data to depict infection trends across age, sex, and location, and to plot the recovery time of infected individuals. European countries and authorities have developed a platform for healthcare workers to report real time data on volumes of patients, personal protective equipment, staffing, ventilator usage, and other resourceful information. Access to electricity keeps people connected, protects vulnerable populations, keeps ventilators on, and saves lives. Off grid companies such as solar energy, wind energy, etc., are critical for reaching populations beyond the grid and for rapid deployment of electricity solutions. These are very, very critical, and utility companies and other energy companies need to look at it. As a conclusion to my video, I would say energy companies need to prioritize energy and data, look at solutions that keep consumers connected, look at increasing the reliability of energy production, and very importantly, use technologies, digital technologies for pandemic policy and response. A lot needs to be done in order to win this fight against COVID-19. And I hope utility companies, enterprises, and various other institutions come together and look at data, look at technology, look at improving the infrastructure around energy and helping the population in need. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked the video, please like it, subscribe for more such videos and updates on technology, sustainability, energy, and much more. Thank you once again.